welcome to Dive Bomber. This is the next level of the dive push-up. So we're going to get into that same position. We want to pretend like there's an 8-inch fence, and we're going to pull ourselves down and come up and come back. Now, the key points are keep your core nice and strong. And when we come here, we're really trying to arch the back and open up the shoulders. So squeeze the shoulders back, and then also squeeze the butt. So we're opening everything up. And then when we come down, we're not coming straight down, we're coming at an angle and getting real low and pull up with the core while you push out with the shoulders. Remember, when you're coming down, intentional. Don't let gravity do it. Here, and squeeze. Flex your muscles. And here, squeeze.